Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain my IoT project, Industrial Temperature Alert System. This is an IoT based temperature alert system. Depending upon the temperature, it will give alerts to us based on our requirements. Now, what's the need of this temperature alert system? A temperature alert system monitors and alerts if the temperature goes below or beyond the threshold temperature. A temperature alert system has become an essential part of healthcare, hospitals, clinics, food business, and other industries in the recent years. Suppose you have a pharmaceutical company and you need to maintain a proper temperature for the medicines. So in that case, you need to continuously monitor the temperature of the factory. So in that case, this temperature alert system will be a huge beneficial for you, as it will monitor and give alerts if anything is goes wrong. With the temperature alert system, you can easily track, control, and regulate the product's temperature in a specific environment. A temperature alert system makes sure that your temperature dependent products stay safe as they are being transported. And what are the applications of a containing a temperature alert system is it will give automatic alerts based on the temperature, because if manually we need to do, then we need to continuously check, and it will be very difficult for all the times we can observe that. And notifications for changing temperature, it will give notifications if the temperature changes are very high, like suppose it is going from very minimum to very high and if the temperature change is very high, then it will give notifications in that case. And we can have reports which are useful for our analytics. Okay, it will continuously store the temperature data, and depending upon it will show the reports which are useful for analytics. And temperature tracking, it will continuously monitor the temperature for every specific time interval that we set up. And customized indicators, and these alerts we can customize, like we get alert from SMS or telegram or mail or maybe buzzer. This is customized. So these are the applications of a temperature alert system. So let's begin to build this temperature alert system. Our goal is to make a temperature alert device. When the temperature goes below the threshold or above the threshold, it will alert us by sending a SMS and by sending a email and also a telegram message. And there will be an LED that will glow. That means it will indicate alert. Okay, so what are the components required for this project is LM35 temperature sensor, bolt Wi-Fi module, an LED light for indication, three male to female wires. These wires are required for connecting the temperature sensor to the bolt module, a 330 ohm resistor. This resistor is to protect the LED light from the high current, and an USB cable for giving the power to the bolt Wi-Fi module. So the circuit looks like this. So as you can see, this is the temperature sensor, and these three wires are male to female connectors. Okay, now this side is connected to these three pins, and these three pins are connected to, one is connected to ground, one is connected to 5 volts, and one is connected to analog to digital converter pin. And this is the LED. This LED, one side is connected to ground and another side is connected to a resistor, and the other side of the resistor is connected to the zero pin, and we are giving the power supply through this USB cable. Okay, so we seen how to build this circuit. Now let's see how to set up so that we can get automated SMS, mail, and telegram messages.
Firstly, let's see how to set up to get automated SMS alerts. For this, I'm using Willow website. This Willow website is useful for sending automated SMS to any number that we want. Uh, the thing that you need to do is just create an account in this Willow and give your details and verify your email account, and then you will get a free trial. And later, if you need to continue, you need to buy this Willow. And after you signed up, you will get a Willow virtual phone number. This is the phone number in my case, and from this number only SMSs will be sent. and you will get a unique account SID and authorized token. And these two are very important when we are writing a Python code, and through this only Pillow sends SMSs to the required number. Now let's see how to set up to get automated emails. For sending automated emails, I am using Mailgun platform. This Mailgun platform is useful for sending automated emails to any email address that we want. And same like before, you need to create a student account in this Mailgun, and you need to verify your email address, and you need to give your phone number. After that, Mailgun will provide you a unique URL. From this URL only, you will receive this emails, and you just go to dashboard and scroll down. You will see this type of domain or URL link. Okay, this is unique for everyone. And after this page will be open, and here select API, then select Python, because we are using Python, and you will get this unique API key and API based URLs. And through this only, this mailgun will send automated emails. So these things, two things are very useful while we are writing the code. Now let's see how to set up the Telegram for receiving automated Telegram messages. Now let's see how to set up to get automated Telegram alerts. For this, first of all, you need to create a Telegram channel. The name of the Telegram channel can be anything. So here I created its channel. Its name is Temperature Alerts, and you have to give a username for this, and you need to make this channel as a public channel, because you need to like send a message from the outside. So you need to make this channel as public, and here the username I have given is alerts temperature Rajesh. Okay, then after that, what you have to do is creating a Telegram bot. For creating a Telegram bot, I'm using a bot father. This bot father, you can search in the Telegram, and this is a verified account, so you will get this. And open this, you start creating this bot, and after that you will ask to create a new bot, and then this is the name of the bot. Then you need to give a username. So I given this username, but it's already taken, so it said to try something new, so I just given this name. So this is there, and it assigned to me. And each bot has a unique this token is important. By this token only we will access our bot. After creating this, you add your bot to the Telegram channel that you have created by searching it, and that's it. So your channel has a bot also, and make sure that notification is turned on in the Telegram channel. So the main part now, let's write the code to get this automated SMS, mail and Telegram message, and also this LED whenever the temperature goes below or beyond the threshold level. Hi, I have opened my Windows subsystem for Linux terminal. Let's see how to write the code over here and how to run this. So here I have created two files. One is confidential.py, conf.py, and main.py. This confidential.py will contain all the sensitive information like API keys, device IDs, and Telegram channel names, bot ID, bot token. So all this will be stored in this confidential.py, and the main.py will have a required code. So I will open this confidential.py and show you what are the contents are there. Sudo nano conf.py. Why I'm using sudo means I don't want any other to modify it or open it. That's why I'm using sudo, because whenever I will give sudo, it will ask password if I try to open it. Okay, I already given the password, that's why it opened directly. Now I created some variables or the constants that you can say in the programming language. These I will use in my next program. The first one is a mailgun API key. So this is will be given in by the mailgun, and sandbox URL. This is a unique URL for each account, and sender email address is test at the rate of plus this. So in Python we can just add strings, so that's why this test at the rate of plus this sandbox one. And recipient email address is the email address uh, this automatic mails will be sent. And SID, authorized token, are given by this Twilio account for automatic SMSs, and from number is the virtual number that is also given by Twilio, and two number is the number to which this automated SMS will be sent. This is my number. And API key, device ID, these are the information of a Bolt Wi-Fi module that we are using. So this Bolt cloud will recognize each Bolt device by unique device ID and API key. So these two are very important for that case. And finally, the Telegram chat ID and Telegram bot ID. This Telegram chat ID is the username of our channel, and this bot ID is the token that we received from the bot father. And now these things are okay. Now just I'm opening this main.py now. So it will contain all the necessary code. So first I imported this confidential.py file where all the required information is there. And from the Bolt IoT Python module, I am importing SMS, email, and Bolt. These three are the things I required for this code. And import JSON module, time module, and also request. So these are the minimum and maximum threshold limits. The minimum threshold of light value and maximum threshold of light value. The first one is my bolt. This is the object of this bolt class where I am passing this API key and device ID as parameters. So it will recognize our Wi-Fi module uniquely. And then SMS, this is a object of SMS class where I'm passing this SID, authorized token, to number, and from number. So these details are required for sending the automated SMSs. And also this mailer, this email object I'm creating where I'm passing this mailgun API key, sandbox URL, and sender email and recipient email. Now let's see. So first of all, while true, this is the main code. While true, that means this code will be run continuously and automatically, and if you want to stop, you need to stop it forcibly. Okay. First one is response. Response is equal to mybolt or digital write a low. So initially I'm making sure that this LED is turned off, and then you print reading the sensor value. So this sensor value will like where we get is in the analog to digital converter pin. So response is equal to mybolt dot analog read, that is A0 pin that we are reading. Data is equal to json dot loads response. uh, Now this response is a JSON output, so you are converting by using this JSON module. Now print the sensor value. Okay, after that check it. If the sensor value is greater than the maximum limit or less than the minimum limit, now you need to send SMS, mail, and telegram message. For that, first of all, you are making mybolt or digital write 0 high, means you are turning on the alert LED. Okay, you can always replace this LED with a buzzer. And the same things, that you don't need to change the code anything, you just need to replace the LED with a buzzer and it works. Now you are starting to send automatic SMS, making request to Twilio to send SMS. Response is equal to SMS dot send SMS. This is a function, and the message is the current temperature sensor values, that the recorded one. So you will receive that message, and the response received from Twilio you are printing. Suppose sometimes it won't work due to the technical issues, like you don't have the internet connection while running the script. You make sure that you have a proper internet connection, and you don't have any proxies. Okay, so some Wi-Fi's will have proxies. If the proxies are there, then it won't work. And status of SMS at Willow is you will print that. Now Willow is over. Now mailgun part, it will print making request to mailgun to send an email. Response mailgun is equal to you are receiving this response from the mailgun, and you are sending the mail. Okay, mailer dot send email. Already that mailer object has all the recipient and sender email ID. So in this you are writing this alert, this is a message that you get via email. Okay, and you are converting that response that you got into text and you are printing that because the output is in JSON format. Okay, and now finally the telegram message. So print sensor value has exceeded threshold, message is equal to alert. This is a message that you are sending via telegram. Okay, now you've created a function send telegram message. I will show that function that is in the top. Okay, and if anything is goes wrong, you will get the reason. This is a except condition will be there and you will get the reason for that. So now let's see this function send telegram message. So it sends message via telegram. This is the required URL. If you run this URL manually also, you will get an automated message. Okay, so the main thing that you need to take care of it, here the confirm confidential.telegram bot id, that is the bot id that you are giving, like the token, it is correct. And this is the data. Okay, here text is a message. Now so here request this URL and also this data has a message. Okay, this confidential telegram chat id is the id of our channel where this telegram bot has to send the message, and also the message here by itself. Okay, uh, after doing this, it will, this is the telegram URL and this is the telegram response. You will get a response from this API, telegram API, and you are printing that if everything is okay, it will return okay, or else it will return false if anything exception is there. And you are printing that below in the this while loop condition. Okay, so from this output you can see if everything is okay or not. After that you are making the system to sleep for 10 seconds. I'm using 10 seconds, you can that is your customization, when which time you need to wait after to read another value. Okay, so this is the time interval, this is a fixed and customized. And now exit from this. If you run this python script, you will get the output, all the sensor values printed over the console. And if the like temperature goes beyond or below, then you will get automated SMSs and mail and telegram message, and also that LED starts blinking. Okay, so for that you will need to run this python 3 main.py. Okay, so now I'm running and I will show the output of the circuit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something from this.